Assalamualaikum. Today we discuss about how to apply for a business credit card. Business credit card, both large and small could benefit from having business credit card. When company employees use business credit card, whether for purchasing supplies, equipment, meals, or for travel, it makes it easier to keep track of the company's expense. Payment are also made directly to the credit card company instead of individual employees. When employees use personal card and must submit reimbursement claims, it becomes more difficult to track and categorize business expense. And instead of making one credit card payment, the company must make multiple payments if several people have business expenses. In addition to tracking expenses, companies can benefit from having a business credit card by earning reward and other fees. How do you apply for business credit cards? The process of applying for a business credit card is similar to applying for a personal card. Additionally, the types of card available for business mirrors what's available for personal cards. You can apply for following steps for business credit cards: cashback, points, mile, introductory APR. Cashback: you can earn a set percentage of money based on the total amount of your charges. Point: you can get set number of points for each dollar spent on qualifying purchase. Miles: you can earn a certain number of miles for money spent on eligible purchasing. Zero introductory APR applies to balance transfers and or purchasing for a set period of time. There are 3 steps you should take to apply for business credit card. Check your credit card scores, research your options, and submit your application. How do you check your credit score? Even though your application is for your business credit card, issues will also check your personal credit score. Typically, you will need a personal FICO score of 670 or higher. Since your application will trigger a hard inquiry on your credit card, which could cause it drop a few points. You want to find out in advance if your score is high enough. Companies that issue business credit cards typically use one or more of the 3 reporting agencies: Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. To check personal credit score, each of these agencies allows you to check your score for free every 12 months. While each agency may have a different score for you, these scores are often relatively close. Companies, through their online banking service, many banks will also show you your credit score at no charges. These scores usually come from one of the 3 reporting agencies. You can also use independent companies like Credit Karma and Credit Schemes, which have programs where you can check your score at no charges. However, the scores reported through third-party companies may not be accurate as the agency's score. In addition to your personal score, you should check your company's business credit score if it has one. Unlike personal credit score, the process of scoring credit for businesses is not standardized. Several companies provide score to business such as Dun and Bradstreet, now Equifax, Experian, and each has different computing methods. You will want to find out which company the card issuer you are applying to in using. Check your score with that company prior to submitting your application. How do you research your business credit card option? There are several factors to consider when choosing a business credit card. These include the card issuing company, the typically of card you want, interest rate, annual fees, and financial features. The company issuing the card, a good place to start your research in bank. They can help you determine the best card for your need. If you don't have a business checking account yet, you may want to look at the bank that handles your personal account. you have a pre-existing relationship with them. After after that, you can check the major national banks such as JP Morgan, Chase Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citigroup, US Bank, Trust, PNC, and TD Bank. However, don't overlook region banks such as Bank of the West, WBVA, Compass Bank, BMW, Harris Bank, California Bank and Trust, Commercial Bank, HSBC, National Bank, and M&T Bank, etc. However, all credit card issuers do not report your business credit activity to the commercial credit bureaus. If developing a business credit score and history is important, you will want to choose a card issuer that does make those reports. Finally, you'll want to find a credit card issuer that supports your type of business. Some do not offer cards, solopreneur, non-profit, for example. Type of business credit cards. As previously mentioned, you can choose your business credit card with points, cashback, miles, or a lower interest rate. Knowing how you and your employees will use the card will help you this decision. For example, if you don't do a lot of business traveling, you may opt for card where you can decision. For example, if you do a lot of business traveling, you may opt for a card where you can earn miles. If you want additional items, you may want a card with points you can exchange for a variety of items in a card issued redemption catalog, or you may simply want a straight cashback card so you can decide how you want to use the money you earn from using the card. Interest rate. If you don't carry a balance from month to month, the rate of interest may not be important, but if it is possible, you will carry a balance. You may refer a card with a lower interest rate. Some businesses credit cards have 0% introductory APR, which may be beneficial if you have a large purchase coming up. Annual fee. There are annual fees associated with some business credit cards, while other cards do not charge you each year to use them. Card with annual fee often have additional perks. You would need to decide if these perks are worth the extra charges. Financial features. Many business credit card issuers included account management tools. Among the features may be ability to download your card